Hi traders! So, in today's video I will talk about a really important topic to your trading, and it is basically how to stay sane during trading, because I see so many traders that just go insane, and it is not good, because to go insane and lose money, it is not good. If you go insane and make money, that is another question. But the thing is, you have to stay sane to be a professional trader. And I see so many traders who are just greedy, they have really high aggression levels, and they are just, they are in fear, and fear will kill your case. So don't be in fear, don't be greedy, and don't just don't be aggressive towards the market, because the market will kill you. Be collected, be just sane, and be very focused to the market, because that will make you profitable. And I hope it is just a motivation for you, because if you just break these rules, you will fail and you will lose money. And believe me, I saw literally hundreds of traders just blew their accounts because they can't stay focused, and they are in fear, they have that greed, and they are just assholes. So don't be that, and actually be calm, because trading is all about how calm you can stay and you can remain when the markets are crazy and they just they are just wild, and you have to stay calm as a human being, and your emotions have to be in a perfect place. And therefore, as you hear, I have a guitar player in the background, because I want to stay calm and want to stay focused. And I have that nice guitar that's just playing in the background, and I stay focused to trading. And I'm not in fear. What would I fear? But if you are in fear, you make bad decisions, and if you are greedy, you make even just worse decisions. So don't do that. Be calm and be like a professional, and if you can, have a nice hair like I do, because that is really important to trading. So these are really important elements, because if you let your emotions just be wild and be just insane, it is bad. But you have to be wild as well to survive in the market. So you have to find your edge, that sweet edge where you can make money. And it is really hard, it is just fucking hard, but you have to do it if you want to be a professional. And you have to stay focused, and you have to consider trading as a real fucking job, because if you consider it as a hobby, as I saw so many traders just consider it as a hobby, you will fucking fail. You have to consider it as you go to a university. If you learn a new job, it takes years, because you want to just you want to have a real knowledge and a powerful tool, skill set to actually make it. And if you think that you will be a professional and you will be profitable, if you don't learn and you don't consider it as a job, you are crazy and you are an asshole, because there are big banks, there are algorithmic trading robots, there are artificial intelligence that trades against you. So don't be an asshole and just start to learn and consider it as a real job. So I hope this video was harsh enough, so you will change a little bit, and you start to focus. And if you feel greed, fear or aggression, just quit trading for a day and think about it, and be like a calm river. Just be like a river. It doesn't matter if a duck just forget about ducks. Just this was today's video. Be a trader.